What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to unbox the ROChobby, the new 1/18th crawler. It's called the Mog. No, it's a Unimog prototype. Now let's unbox it. Wow, look at it. Here is the transmitters. The grills. And this is the Mercedes-Benz logos. Here is the charger, battery, and a winch. That's all. Now let's look at these trucks. You can put batteries here. And look at this. It can fold it. Unfortunately, the doors can't open. Now let's look at the chassis. Soft tears, plastic drive shafts, and the oil tank is not solid. Here it can move. Okay. The slowest speed reverse light, and it didn't have the turning lamp. Now let's look at the headlights. The high beam, off, low beam, high beam. That's all about the lights. Unfortunately, you can put some LED lights in the roof lights. So beautiful, the Unimog. Perfect. Now let's compare to the die-cut Unimogs. I have a 1/18th die-cut Unimogs. So I think the FMS, it makes the Unimogs bigger than the normal 1/18th. No, I think it may be called 1/16th or maybe 1/14th. It's bigger than the really normal 1/18th. The wheels and the wheelbase, and look at it. By the way, this is really a beautiful truck, and you can even put some wood on here.